Here's just some news for my vids. It's February 24th, 2009. It's Tuesday, just after school, 5:30. I got some news. Okay, first, you may have heard I'm going to be doing a live show on Ustream.tv. I need some tips on that, like how do you make an icon picture like my YouTube one, just right there. Also, 20 Game Freak is soon doing HD movies. Now, HD movies, if you don't know what that is, it's high definition. And if I can't do HD movies, I'll do high quality movies. Just so. Now, a new series coming up. Since Dude, Where's My Account has gone, I just got the idea from Dude, Where's My Car. Now it's cancelled. I'm doing 20 Game Freaks fishing adventures, because I've been doing fishing, and a few days ago I caught my first fish ever on my second time fishing ever. It was awesome. It was a flathead. So yeah, and quick capture videos, doing more of that, and yeah, I'll do some hypercam videos soon. So see, that's some news.